Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix black screen on DayZ. So first of all, find DayZ, right click on it, go to properties, go to a general, and then on the launch option, select just right minus windowed. Then you need to go to install files, browse, and then what you need to do here is you should see DayZ launcher, exe, DayZ, diag, x64, these 4 files here. So what you need to do here, you need to go to them one by one by right-clicking, show more options, properties, compatibility. Make sure to only leave run as admin. Should be no disable for screen optimizations or these options is selected. Only run this program as admin, and do with all 4 of them. And after you do so, then go to Battle.io, go to uninstall Battle.io, right-click on it, run as admin, and then uninstall Battle.io. Right? And after you do so, then right click again here on install Battle.io. Then you need to run as admin and install it again. And after you do so, then you just need to verify integrity of the game files under the installed files here. Wait for a couple of seconds until it's done, and your game should be working and you should not be getting any black screen issue here. So that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like.